Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how long does the battery life last on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. If you're like me and you're deciding between different action cameras, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, this alone lasts around 3 hours, okay? So around 180 minutes. It's even less if you decide to shoot in 4K. But with the battery handle, I believe the battery handle will provide an extra like 4 to 6 hours of battery life, which is really, really good. So again, the main portion, which is this portion here, this lasts about 3 hours, about 2 hours and less if you shoot in 4K the whole time. And then you have the battery handle, which provides an extra 4 to 6 hours of shooting time. But the good thing is that the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, it was made to fast charge. So even if you do run out of battery, if you plug this in using a Type-C cable that you see right over here, this will actually go ahead and charge your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to around 80% in about 15 minutes. So think if you're by chance, I don't know, like traveling and you're vlogging and you need to go ahead and charge it, you ran out of battery, and you also ran out of battery in the Osmo Pocket 3, this will go ahead and charge in 15 minutes. So you can easily stop by a cafe, stop by a restaurant and charge really quickly. But overall, I'd say I have the creator bundle here, and I think it's totally worth to get the extra battery handle just because it provides an extra 4 to 6 hours of battery life. And in addition, it's also really nice to hold. So you can actually hold it like this. Then you have a mini tripod that includes with it. The creator bundle, if you're just getting into creating content and filming videos, whether it's for shows, traveling, vlogs, etc., this is a really, really neat camera. I wish they had this when I initially first started, but the battery itself, 3 hours is more than enough. But if you're traveling for sure and you may not have access to outlets, definitely check out the creator bundle, which includes the battery handle that you see right over there. But overall, that's my input. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.